Class 7, Unit 2, Wild Duck, written by Romesh Gunesekera. Dear students, I am going to tell the summary of this chapter. This is a touching story about a father and a son. The father takes his son hunting to teach him to shoot down wild ducks, the teals. But the son teaches the father a lesson in caring for life instead of destroying it. The father and son sail down a stream in the late afternoon. Both of them have their guns ready to shoot down the ducks as countless of them fly in a formation. The father is hasty and shoots at the birds without aiming at any one of them in particular. He is overconfident. He thinks he will surely kill a few at least, but he does not get any. On the other hand, the son aims carefully at only one bird, the leader of the group, and shoots it. Both of them watch and rest of the birds fly away in the same formation as before, with another bird leading them. It looked as if they knew how not to be shaken up in a crisis but to move on. The boy wants to know what happened to the bird he shot. He rows the boat to where the duck had fallen and finds it alive and bleeding. He had shot at its wing and he learns that it could never fly again. He is shocked that he has injured the bird. He is ashamed of his ability to destroy. He decides that he will look after the bird and bring it home to care for it as his pet. He is sad the duck would never fly again like the rest of the flock, but he is glad that it would be alive and safe in his home. The boy learns his lesson. He decides he would never go hunting again. Though he had gone with his father to learn the pleasure of hunting, he realizes that there is no joy in killing or maiming anything in the wild. When his father asks what he did with his gun, he replies that he had thrown it away. His father is shocked at first. He is angry that his son had thrown away a valuable gift. But he realizes later, and he had sent out to teach his son the joys of hunting to kill. Instead, his son had learned a better lesson, the joy of caring to heal. The father learns from his son how to value life, and this makes him happy. Let us analyze the character in this chapter. There are two characters, father and son. Father teaches his son how to hunt, and also as a father he is very responsible. They go out for time pass and he teaches his son how to hunt the wild duck. And also he is very responsible. He is helping his son to grow in size and wisdom. On the other hand, we see the son. son is also, he is very keen to learn the technique of hunting. He is with his father and he learns whatever he teaches him. After hunting, after injuring the bird, and he realizes that life is very valuable. That's why he takes the wild duck at home and he takes care of the bird. The son says life is more important than other things. So no matter whether they are birds, whether they are trees or other living beings. So for the son, life is very, very important. So that is the lesson he teaches, and that is the U-turn he teaches his father. And also later on his father realizes that life is something very valuable to each and everyone.